This is a PS5, no display, and clearly the HDMI, it's kind of pushed in. The internal part, you can see how far it is. Compared to the good ports, you can see the internal plastic piece. Yeah, I ordered 100 ports like maybe 2 months ago, and this how much left is about like 40 ports or 40 something. You can see the internal part is far away over there. Now let's plug it just to be sure. And we are going to plug the HDMI cord. So we have the white light. Yeah, it's no signal. Yeah. So white light over there, but still no display. Just showing this to a friend, because he ordered the same HDMI port from the same seller, but he has a problem with the ports that he said a lot of them they don't work. But so far I don't have no problem with the ports. And I think this is why, because the PS5 board, it has a big ground, and to remove or install the HDMI you need to apply a lot of heat for a long time, and that's causing the internal small piece, the internal plastic piece, to start melt, and that will cause a bad connection to the HDMI pins over there. So the way how I do it, I put the yellow tape, I put it here to cover these holes so the hot air doesn't blow inside the HDMI. Plus you need to use like a little bit low melt in the pads, and I do add some solder to that. You see that crack in the middle. You can see a little crack is getting white a little bit. So yeah, let's take it off. This plastic piece is pushed all the way in, and you can see that diode, they just move it from the place over there. So we're gonna need to take care of that one as well. So add some low melt and some flux. It's better if I take care of that diode first before he lost it. Yeah, the diode on the sideway, because that pad is bent, but it's soldered the two sides. It's like that to give it extra hold. Put just yellow tape around it like that to cover the holes, and we'll solder it. Yeah, the pins are all soldered good, so no need to use the solder iron. So here in the bottom you can see looks good, and the solder, yeah, you can see the solder, it's go all through the hole from the bottom to the top, right here and right here. So the diode, I think, is moved a little bit. You can solder it with, can use the solder iron with it. If it fits. looks good. All right, yeah, let's test it. Yeah, we get the metal, the liquid metal, just easily into place like this. No need to use extra liquid metal. Still no signal. Yeah, we have the picture, so it's fixed. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you again.